What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bro back in the video. Today I'm gonna walk you through my entire logo design process in under 3 minutes. I'm gonna show you how this logo went from this to this. So stay tuned to check it out. Peace. My first two steps are always a discovery call and mood boarding. Doing both of these help me understand the client's vision and how I can bring it to life. This particular client is someone I've known since high school. He wanted a brand identity for his new soccer company. This client's style is a combo between hipster and modern. Understanding what he's looking for and getting to know him more helped us create something dope that fit their style. After the discovery phase and a little more research on my client's business and their competition, we start sketching ideas. As you see, I usually start off with about 6 or 7 rough sketches. I don't really care how rough the sketches are because it's not an ego contest for me. At this point, before I even get into Illustrator, I've already visualized the design, so I prefer materializing the idea over how pretty the sketches look. After doing some more research and sketching the logos, it's time to start vectorizing it. My approach in vectorizing is always, how can I make this the cleanest and most efficient design possible with the least amount of steps? For me, the goal is always to make the logo not only look good, but for it to be multifunctional, meaning it could be used on multiple canvases and be recognized instantly on the first glance. Using the pen tool, pencil, and pen brush have always helped me out the most. The idea behind this logo was toning it down a bit in comparison to logo design number 1. Also, bringing the brand's initials F and T to the forefront. I wanted to design an emblem that I could place on apparel and other logo lockups that made it easily recognizable. I liked how straightforward this logo was and how professional and high value it looked. Again, I felt like this logo was extremely versatile and could be used on many different mediums. We got rid of the navy and went with baby blue because it represents freedom, creativity, and a new journey. I felt like this was perfect since he was stepping out on his own to start a new business. Also, it was our high school's main colors. He represents that school so much that I wanted to implement it in some way. Alright guys, so I sent the client the project and see if he had any revisions, and this is what he wanted changed. Right off the bat, he wanted the stars gone off the design. He felt like he wanted to simplify it, and with that, the design flourished without the stars. Someone pointed out to me that it looks like a player is going to kick the ball. I never saw that in the beginning, but I get it now. I see it a little bit. Also, he wanted to make the primary color navy, baby blue the secondary color, with white being the third color. I think it was a good choice to combine all three. Alright guys, so along with sending the logo, I like to send out logo layouts as well. So I know his style is very professional, straight to the point, and classic. And also with these design layouts, he wanted something clean, easily readable, and printable on shirts. Since I knew it was going to be on a t-shirt, I threw some extra information about his services on there. He chose this one to put on a t-shirt and actually sent me one for free. But that's the end of the video, guys. I know it's kind of short. Let me know what you think about this type of video, this style of video where I'm breaking down my logo design process. I really wanted to give you guys some insight on my process and just how I get my projects done. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget our merch is available on my website, 86visions.com. Link in the bio, link on the damn screen. You feel me? We got more videos dropping soon. Peace.